Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf LIFE 1.0 TSI with 110 horsepower. This sleek grey beauty has only 7,775 kilometers on the clock and is packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and more. With safety features like parking assistance, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.